Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open the notification panel here, and now if you wanna just add here some options or just to remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And after that, here we can see this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add here, for example, the data saver, you should hold it and after that drag it here to this up section. By the same way, we can remove the icons, the features from here, just hold and drag it. And to change the positions here on the notification panel, you should hold them and after that just drag and change the positions of these icons. And to save the changes, you should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.